So we got some new wiper blades for the JKU. Gonna show you how to swap these out real quick. They're both size 15s. Pretty easy to do. All you do is grab the old one, bring it up like this. There's a little button right here. You're gonna push that button in. That's gonna free this inner piece. There we go. So we push that, just slide it in. You'll see this little hoop is gonna stay. You're gonna get the wiper down off of it. At that point, you just bring the wiper over, and we've got the old one off. This is what you're left with right here, a little hoop. And so we're gonna then put the same, sort of the same way. You're gonna take the new one, slide it over that, pull it out till it clicks. So let me grab the new one real quick. So these are 15-inch. We'll put some links down below for some Amazon options if you're trying to pick one up. Quick comparison there, 15 to 15. I usually just line them up, make sure we got the right size. All right, now when it's going back on, we've got the curved side here going to the left. Probably the easiest way to do this. Turn it around backwards, slide it over like that. Now the little curved portion is facing the loop, and then we're just gonna pull that until it slides in there, and it'll click. Now that blade is good. Do the same thing on the other side. All right, same thing on this one. Kind of wiggle that off. All right, got that off of there. We got the new one here, another 15. So once again, turn it backwards might be the easiest. Put it in on this side, flip that piece around. And then just slide it up till it clicks. There we go. So that's how you replace the wiper blades on a Jeep JKU. If you need any parts, we'll put the links down below. You can pick up some new ones. Also check out our channel and subscribe if you want to learn more, how to do more on your Jeep. Thanks for watching.